Hello everyone, so I have a bunch of these gachas still I have open. I only did one set of 50, but I thought 50 might be a little bit too much. So we might just go like 10, 15 at a time. So I have all of these gachas in here. We're gonna just pick a few and kind of go from there, okay? Let's pick a couple of each color, so maybe 3 yellow ones. We'll do some red ones. Maybe a couple of blue ones. So 3 blue ones. So far we have 9. Let's do some green colored ones. And then some black ones. So I just picked a bunch of different colors at random. So let's just start with, we can just go one of each color for now. Let's just move all of these to the side. I'm gonna have my little display shelf right here. Let's move this more. Okay, we'll start with the reds. So here's the first red one. And we have one of the Nemo ones. I did open a couple of these before. Or Finding Dory, sorry. And we have the octopus dude. I don't remember his name because this movie was so long ago. Go on to the next red one. Okay, and then this is one of the Nyanko Sensei items. And it looks like we got one of those like wooden dolls. I think they're called Kokeshi dolls. So here it is. Wow, the details are pretty nice and it's super tiny. We got one of the hamsters doing like dishes. And here's a little plate with some suds. And it just hooks on like that. And I think the hamster just goes right on top. Look at that, how cute. Okay, let's do some yellow ones next. I think I see another Finding Dory one in here. And it's the sea otters. Look how cute they are. Oh my god, they're so cute. I love how they hug like this. Put them right there. Okay, it's another Nyanko Sensei. I guess I didn't really pick a good variety. And it's a wooden carving of Nyanko Sensei. Well, it's like a wooden-like texture. It's pretty cool though. There you go. And it's a Neko Atsume one. These are the different kinds we can get. And we got the one that overeats all the time. I used to get this cat a lot when I used to play. So we're gonna go ahead and do some green ones. So this is the biggest one I picked out, I think. And it's one of the Pokemon trainers. So I believe we had 4 of them last time. We just need to open one more. And here is May. Look at her. She's so pretty. And we're just gonna put her right here. Okay, let's do this one next. And it's another Neko Atsume one. I really don't have that much variety. It's a lot of Pokemon, Neko Atsume. So these are a little bit bigger. I think we got the one with the kotatsu. And here's a little cat with the kotatsu, and it just sticks out its head like this. Lots of warm colors in today's opening. We'll do the last green. And it's the Nyaku Sensei like toilet paper or paper towel set. These are like the squishy kinds. And we got the brown paper towel. I don't really like how it's brown because it just looks like a turd to me. We're gonna do the blue ones next. So let's open one of these. And it is the Pokemon in a cup. I believe we already had a couple of these before. But this one is Squirtle. I do really want to repaint these Pokeball cups though, so they're a little bit more colorful. But look at Squirtle, so cute. And it's our first like non-warm colored gacha that we opened today. Put you in the front. Okay, we'll do this tiny one next. And it's the Pig Stuck in Stuff series. I think we had the pig in a bucket before. Ooh, and we have a little spotted pig. And it's stuck in this little pig pen. But I think it's just supposed to go like this. Put them right in the front right there. Okay. Oh, it's one of the Hamtaro ones, finally. So out of this one, we have Hamtaro with the sunflower already. I think that's the only one, and then I think that's Pashmina. We have Pashmina as well. And we have Panda! So we have Panda, named after his little panda-like design. Oh, and he's so cute. But for now, just put him right there. Okay, we're gonna open the last set. So it's the dark color gachas. So this one is Pom Pom Pudding. And I know we had the jumping one already. And oh, this is the one that's supposed to be like hanging off something. Let me see if I can find like I mean, all I can find right now is this candle, but basically I think it's supposed to be hanging like this. But this candle's too big. It's supposed to be like a cup holder. Oh no. What's a video if I don't drop anything, right? Yeah, you're just gonna be right there. This opaque one, if I remember correctly, these had like some kind of food design, I think. And it's like the traditional Japanese sweets but ghosts collaboration. And we have this like stack of mochis with like a little orange or tangerine on top. And then for the last one of the day, it's another one of the Nyaku Sensei traditional like collaboration. So that makes 3 today that we opened. And it's Nyanko Sensei as like a little wooden fish toy with wheels. Okay, so that wraps up the 15 gachas that we opened. I would say the ones on the bottom row that I placed are my favorites. I do like my Hamtaro one. And then my little Kokeshi doll right here. And then Squirtle in a cup. The sea otters and May. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and watch out for the next installment.